Hi friends, in this video we are going to see about decision making statements. It is covered in the second unit. So decision making is nothing but if you want to decision making statements that are used to verify the condition. If the condition is true, it will execute the some particular statement. If it is false, it will execute some other particular statements. So this will be a decision making concept. So initially the loop will be entered and the condition will be checked. If it is true, certain part of the code will be executed. If it is false, some other part of the will be done based upon the types. So in C conditional statements we have these are the types: if statement, inside if statement, if else, nested if and else if statements, go to statements, switch statement and conditional operator. These are the types in the decision making are available in the C program in C. Next, in if statement, it will check the condition. If it is true, it will execute the statement, else it will come out of the loop. So this is an syntax and a flow chart for the if statement, and we will see an example program. This program is to check whether the given number is divisible by 5 or not. Initially the header file will be imported, then variables are declared inside the main function, and we were getting value from the user, and using scan loop scanf state function we are getting the value from the user, and we are checking whether the particular number is divisible by 5, and it is checked with the condition if n modulus of 5 equal to 0. If it is true, it will print the given number is divisible by 5. Else statement is not available in the particular syntax, so only it will check. If it is true, it will execute the particular statement. Output for this program will be like, so for first example, the given number is 25 and it is divisible by 5, and this is what the answer. And for next one, 33 is given as an input. It is not divisible by 5. The else part is not worked here, so it just mention the statement belong to if loop. Next we will see about if else. So initially condition will be checked. If it is true, the certain part will be executed, else the next part will be executed. This is the flow chart for this is the syntax and flow chart for the if else statement. This is an example program. Here the number given by the user is checked whether it is even or odd. So in the same way, the header files are imported inside main. The declaration is done for the variable, and we are getting integer value from the user, and using scanf function we are getting the values. And for checking the even or odd number, we have a condition like n modulus of 2 equal to 0. If it is true, then it will comes under the category that a particular number is even, else the number will be in order. So this will be an output. So for first example, 10 is entered, it is even number. Another example, it is 13 is entered and it is an odd number. And the next program is nested if. Initially condition is checked. If the condition is true, inside you have another condition. If the same condition is true, again this condition is true, then the particular part will be executed, else it will come out of the loop and the else part will be worked. So this is an example syntax for nested if, and this will be an example program. Here we are checking whether the given number is even or odd, and also we are checking whether the number should be less than 100. So same program, before the particular after getting the values, we are checking whether the particular number is less than 100. If it is true, it will check whether the particular number is even or odd. Else the same part, if it is not less than 100, then again we have an error message, not the number is not below 100. So this is an example, this is an output. So initially first 75 number is given, it is an odd and it is below 100, and another one is 200, it is not inside, I mean it is not below 100, so it is given as this message. And another one is if else, that is if else ladder. So initially condition is checked, else the next condition is checked. If it is true or false, next condition will be checked. So this is an example program to find an greatest of three numbers. So first initially three numbers are received from the user, and first initial condition is checked, and if else the next condition is checked, else the last condition will be executed. This is the example for if else ladder, and this will be an example for program output. We have three numbers, one is 10, 20 and 30. For 30 is the largest number, so 30 is the largest as mentioned. So I will now explain the condition, how it works. So in first condition, it will check whether A is greater than equal to B and A is greater than equal to C. If both the conditions are true, the A will be the biggest, so the A will be the will be mentioned as an answer. Next condition, B is greater than equal to A and B is greater than equal to C. If the condition is true, the value will be the true. If both the conditions are false, the automatically C value will be true. I mean C value will be the greatest. So this is an example for if else. Next we are going to see about switch statements. Switch statement this is an example. So initially the condition will be checked, the expression will be checked. If the case the value is equal, the particular statement will be executed. The first one, the value will be checked. If it is true, the first value case will be executed. If not, second value will be checked, second case will be checked. If it is true, the execution will be done. If it is false, the next case will be checked. Likewise, until we have how many conditions, the things will be executed. If no condition or no cases are executed, automatically the default condition will be executed. So this is an example for a switch statement. And for go to statements, this is an example. We have an go to label. So this is an syntax. So we have both the syntax are mentioned here. So in this video we saw about decision making statements. Thank you.